Now you wonder, this is Spock. Now, not the first officer. This is our Spock, Polestar Spock. It is the star of a different movie, an action movie that we shot here in Gothenburg called The Nasty Offset Front Crash. And Spock plays a major role in that movie. Now what is happening here is that little Spock helps to guide all the heavy metal along the outside of the car during this collision. So nothing intrudes into the interior. The Spock block is helping to protect the passengers from being hurt, and it helps preventing any damage to the battery pack. It's a great invention from the engineers, one of many that will make sure Polestar 2 is one of, if not the safest electric car. It is engineered and designed to reach the top scores by rating institutes, which of course the test to come will prove. Now check out how well it performs as well in a frontal crash with a pole. Again, not a single scratch on the battery pack. Here's a complete list of safety tech in the Polestar 2, with up to 9 airbags on board. Airbags not only on the outside of the seat bolster, but as well on the inside, the so-called far side airbag. Looking at that list, Polestar 2 is an electric car that makes no compromise when it comes to protecting your life.